Hello guys, this is Momentum, your host, and you are watching the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are doing good. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. We mostly provide trading ideas and signals live in our YouTube channel, so this will be very good and beneficial for you if you subscribe our YouTube channel. So, as usual, I would like to start our video with weekly report. As you know, today is 3rd September and 2023 Sunday. So, we are recording a new video for you, and let's talk about the signals of previous week. So, in last week we gave almost 15 plus 3, 18 signals. 14 signals already hit their DP. As you can see, Euro USD is still running and maybe it will hit our DP, and the number of stop loss we have hit it in the last week is just 3. Means we have just hit it 3 stop loss in the whole week, and if you can average this, then you will realize that we have shared 18 signals, means almost 4 signals a day. So just gold hit GBP USD sell 45 pips, gold 15 pips, we cut loss this trade, and gold sell on Friday hit stop loss of almost 60 pips, and we gave almost 1000 plus pips in just a week. This is a fabulous record by Forex Planet. So this is also, we do a poll for trading course free of cost on YouTube, and many students agreed to watch our course, free course that we are going to start from today. This is a very good news for you. We are going to start a new course without any fee, so you can enjoy it. These are signal, account management, results. We also provide account management. We have almost 10 accounts. So these are the mapping signals that we provide on gold. So this photo is blurry right now. Now it is okay. We said that gold will fall from this red zone, and see what happened to that. This is after mapping and this is before mapping. As you can see, market was here and we told you that market will go to the red zone and then it will fall, and exactly market did the same. So this is the after mapping result. As you can see, gold just hit this red zone and fall from this zone. Means this is the signal that we share almost, sell from 1952, stop loss with just 70 pips and with the target of 60 pips, TP1, 120 pips TP2, and almost 220 plus pips TP3, and we have hit it our 2 TPs. Let me show you in the screenshot as well. So let me find it. We have hit it 2 TPs of gold on Friday. Yes, as you can see, gave a sell signal from 1951 and our TP2 hit it. We got almost 1100 plus dollars trade, which is more than almost 100 pips on a signal. So this is our fabulous record. You can join our free signal as well. If you want to join our VIP, then you can contact me. I have put it my email ID, my WhatsApp number, as well as my Telegram ID in the description of the video. So hopefully this video and this group will be very important and useful for you, so you can join our free Forex Planet channel and can generate a very good profit. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back. This is the chart of gold according to H4 candle, and let's take a move and let's take a look on the previous signal that we share on September 1 on Friday. Let's take what happened to that signal. Yes, we got our target from almost 1952 to 1937, goes 150 plus tips. So this is our accuracy level. You can join our VIP as well as free group, and our target to is 1923. Maybe market hit this or maybe not. But let's talk about the new movement of gold. So if you are a regular watcher of our video, I told you to that market will be pull back strongly, and after that pullback we are going to buy it. So when market was here, we made a new video and explain why it may pull back. Market didn't pull back when, but it pulled back in the US session, gave a little bullish candle, and then again a three big bearish candle. So as you know, we are just trade according to our own setups, and this was the setups we shared in our previous live YouTube video. So maybe, as you can see, everything is clear now. What will happen to gold next? Just wait for the market, and it will pull back strongly, then we are going to buy it. So this is a question here: why are you selling it till to 1923 when you are giving up buying signal? Yes, but this trend line is very important. Simply, if gold pull back to that trend line upon this area, if it pull back on this area, then our support, then our resistance becomes support, like that. I told you many times, market become very highly volatile when it support or when its resistance becomes support, and when its support becomes resistance. And this is the movement is going to be having we have in the gold. When gold test here, retrace here, and you are taking a buying entry, and it will again test this trend line, and our new target will be 1960. Yes guys, 1960. This was the new target we have for gold right now, and we have an alternative scenario. Let's talk about the alternative scenario of gold. What will gold will do? So if gold fall, it pull back strongly. Our main motto is to buy, but if it break this blue zone, then its resistance as well as support will be broken. And when it gave a H1 and a H4 candle bearish movement and gave closing below than this red zone, and it will retrace back, then you are going to sell it towards again 1888. So this is the movement of gold right now. Yes, very tricky one. Trading on the gold is not very easy. That's why we have to move each and every candle for in H1 zone as well as in H4 zone. So we have two scenarios: market way pull back towards this trend line and gold pump, and if trend line will be broken, it is going to 1888 area. If not, it is going to 1960 area. So this is the scenario of according to H1. Let's take a look on H4 candle. If you take a look on H4 candle, we got this area. Yes, market many times reject this area, and this area is very important. If you clearly see that market have just made a cup pattern. This is the cup pattern, and now it will look for its handle shape. If this will be happen, then gold is going to move in this pattern, and we will see further selling. If this red or blue zone, if this blue zone broken by the gold, then we are having a new target of gold will be the 1860 plus, or maybe the 1870, and again this may be the more important zone of gold ever, 1980. This was all about gold. Hope you have clear all your confusion here? If you have any confusion, you can comment below the video and we are definitely going to respond you. Thank you for your time and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.
Forex Planet.